Intense fitness are going on right here. How much gym with the stations?
Gym Plus. Yeah.
Plus on a go.
If you tell you about it, but me
Look
take
like it's
away
a minus. Yeah. I wonder if a gym minus let me forget. First of all, Stacia, start with since when you turn personal trainer?
I've been a personal trainer maybe about 5 years now. Since 2013, yeah.
How you got started in that field?
I guess it's after my own weight loss success, I guess. You know, a lot of people started reaching out to me and they wanted advice and stuff. And then I can tell you the things that I did. And then I still wanted to have extra knowledge to be sure of what I'm informing people about. So.
Pamputa, talk to me now. We never see you for a while, we see you come back with odd shape and beard things. And from them time you work with stations?
Yes, a good while now because I give birth to Jazeera and find out that I'm diabetic and it really stressed me. So I decide say, all right now, I need to get this thing here, work and, you know, get going.
Change up something.
Yes, man. So we'll link up stations and stuff like that.
How did you even know stations do them thing?
No, I'm stations with my friend from a long time. We
Oh,
just know me.
okay.
Like some people, they I when they're my friend. I know.
About 14 years
a long
or so.
time.
Yeah,
Long time. But you know, stations more kind of lay back, like, you know, even if you get up and just take picture and post on Instagram. I mean, say, go to take 2 pictures and post. No? You have to post to keep the page active.
Yeah.
You know, it's just kind of different. So each one help one, and some things that me like, me draw she to it. Some things that she like, she draw me to it, like the gym and stuff like that. Because I'm not like she motivate me a lot. Certain one time, I would drink a green juice. Like, who does that? Me not drink that. Me not drink that.
So you prefer eat a green, you not drink a green.
Sometimes stitches of a day over me, you're not eating a pasta. You can't eat too patty. Eat some fruit. This is a shake. Even one morning I'm in a problem because she make a shake for breakfast. Sanjay don't like it, it's so nice.
So we're putting that, I mean, people talk about that
and
shit.
The people them drink it for me, good for you, drink it. They play on my damn full. What you put in the shake? What you give for drink? I want to look like you, pump. Oh, you come down so good. Oh, your skin not saggy and them something there.
So, what the secret ingredients in that shake?
If you tell him, I forgot to kill him. So, leave it alone. But basically, it's a protein shake. You know, just put some fruits in it.
So, all nutrition is your go-to?
Okay, well, my course covers nutrition, physiology, anatomy, and of course weights. So, you know, it make you effectively can put something together, a package for people. And I think why a lot of diets fail is that people try to download a diet where not necessarily personalized for them. So I would advise people, if you're really thinking of going on a diet, get somebody that has nutrition information to help you. Go see a dietitian or a personal trainer that has that information.
So, you count calories too?
Stacia Scott, it's unruly, but I'm in a name popcorn, I see.